SheaMoisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo is a hydrating shampoo that fortifies and restores dry hair that has been damaged, over-processed or is transitioning. Blended with fair trade shea butter, argan oil and sea kelp, this deeply hydrating and nourishing shampoo helps to replenish and seal in moisture to damaged hair. How to use. Apply this shampoo to wet hair, gently massage and work into a rich lather. Rinse thoroughly. For best results, pair with our raw shea butter restorative conditioner. This shampoo is great for 3A to 4C hair types as well as dry hair, damaged hair, transitioning hair and natural hair. All SheaMoisture hair products are sustainably produced and cruelty-free. Curls that bounce. Get shiny, bouncy, and unbelievably manageable hair with this deep moisturizing shampoo. Together, we give back. With every purchase, you support our mission to reinvest back in our communities. Tried, true cruelty-free. Tested on friends' family for generations, never on animals. SheaMoisture is the legacy of Sophie Tucker. We honor the vision of this pioneering mother and entrepreneur by continuing to formulate with raw shea butter handcrafted by women in Africa. Top reviews from the United States. Great. These are the only products with the addition to the Alvino that's been working to cleanse my daughter's scalp of her eczema.